Hello everyone, welcome. Let's see how to solve exercise problems on percentages. Problem number 1. How is 3 by 4 expressed as percentage? If we express 3 by 4 as a percentage, multiply 3 by 4 into 100. So if we multiply 3 by 4 into 100, if we cancel for 4, we get 2, for 100 we get 25. So 25 into 3, which is equal to 75. So 75 percentage. So the answer is 75 percentage. Next problem. The ratio 5:4 expressed as a percent equals. So what is given? The ratio 5:4 is expressed as a percent equals. So 5:4 can be written as 5 divided by 4. To express is as a percent, we have to multiply by 100. That is equal to 425 equal to 125 percentage. So the answer is D. Problem number 3. 3.5 can be expressed in terms of percentage as so 3.5 into 100 equal to 350 percentage. So the answer is D. Next problem. When expressed as a fraction, 64 percentage would mean. So we have to express 64 percentage in fraction. So in fraction, we have to divide by 100. So 64 divided by 100 equal to 25032 25 16, that is equal to 16 by 25. 64 percentage is expressed as a fraction as 16 by 25. The answer is A. Next problem. Half of 1% written as a decimal is. Half of 1 is half. So half percentage means divided by 100. That is equal to 1 divided by 200, which is equal to 0.50 divided by 100 equal to 0.005. So this is the answer. The answer is A. Next problem. 12 percentage of 5000 equal to. So 12 percentage means divided by 100 of 5000 equal to 600. So the answer is A. Next problem. 38 percentage of 341 is equal to what? This problem is similar to the previous problem, sixth problem. So this is a practice for you. Next problem. 550 percentage of 250 is divided by 275 is equal to. So 550 percentage means 550 divided by 100 into 250. 250 divided by 275, that is equal to equal to 5. So here there is no option for 5. So none of these. The option is E. Next, ninth problem is 280 percentage of 3940 is. This is similar to the problem 6 and 7. So you do it yourself. Similarly, 10th problem, you do it yourself. 11th problem is 2% of 2. 2% of 2 means 2 divided by 100 into 2 equal to 4 divided by 100, that is equal to 0.04. So the option is A. Next problem. 10% of 5 and 5% of 10 add up to. So 10% means 10 by 100 of 5 plus add up to means we have to add 5 divided by 100 into 10 equal to, so what we get, 0 0 0. 5 by 10 plus 5 by 10 equal to 10 by 10, that is equal to 1. So the answer is C. Next problem. 36% of 245 minus 40% of 210 equal to 10 minus what? 36 divided by 100 into 245 minus 40 divided by 100 into 210, that is equal to 10 minus, here I put x. So if we cancel, what we get? 5 4s are 5 9s are 18. So that is equal to 441. 9 into 49 is 441 divided by 5 minus 84 equal to 441 minus 420 divided by 5, that is equal to 10 minus x. So therefore x equal to 50 minus 21, which is equal to 29. This is not in the option, so the answer is none of these. The next problem is 45% of 300 plus square root equal to 56% of 750 minus 10% of 250. So this can be written as 45 divided by 100 into 300 plus this is x equal to 56 divided by 100 into 750 minus 10 divided by 100 into 250. So what we get? 0 cancel, 0 cancel. Here 0 0 cancel. Here 0 0 zeros are cancelled. And if we solve 5 5s are 5 5s are so what we get is 135 plus x equal to 420 minus 25. So which implies x equal to 420 minus 25 minus 135 equal to 260. This is root x. The root x is 260, which implies x equal to 260 the whole square equal to 67600. This is the value of x. So the option is D. Next problem. 15% of 578 plus 22.5% of 644 is equal to what? Similarly 16, 17, from 15 to 19 problems are similar to the 14th problem, so you do it yourself. Next, The 20th problem, what is 45% of 25% of 4/5 of 850? That is 45 by 100 of 25 by 100 of 4 by 5 of 850 equal to 0, 2, 5, 2, 9, 2, 2, 10, so which is equal to 5, 7, 153 divided by 2, that is equal to 76.5. So the option is C. The next problem is, what is 28% of 36% of 5 by 7th of 5000? This problem is similar to the previous problem, and similarly the next problem is also similar to the previous problem. Next problem is, an agent sells goods of value of rupees 15,000. The commission which he receives at the rate of 12 1/2% is, so 12 1/2% means 25 divided by 200, that is 12 1/2 is equal to 12 2s are 24, 25 divided by 2. Percentage means divided by 100, that is equal to 25 by 200. So the value of goods is 15,000, that is equal to, we cancel the zeros, we get 275. So 25 into 75 equal to 1875 rupees. So the option is A. Next problem, 1/8 of a number is 41.5. What will be 69% of that number be? So 1/8 of the number means, we don't know the number, we assume it as x. So the number is x. So 1/8 means x by 8 of that number is 41.5, which implies x equal to 332.0. For the question is, what will 69% of that number be? So 69 divided by 100 of that number means into 332 equal to 5747 divided by 25. If we cancel this, we get the answer 229.08. So the answer, the option is C. Next problem, 10% of 20 plus 20% of 10 equals. This is similar to the previous problems. You do it yourself. The next problem, 60% of 264 is the same as. This is also similar to the previous problem. You do it yourself. So next problem, 270 candidates appeared for an examination, of which 252 passed. The pass percentage is, so how to find 252 are passed out of 270 into 100 equal to, so we cancel this, we get 3 9s are 3 8s are 3 4 3 8. So 280 divided by 3, that is equal to 93 1 by 3 percentage. So the option is D. Next problem, 5 out of 2250 parts of earth is sulfur. What is the percentage of sulfur in earth? So 5 out of 2250 means 2250 divided by 5 into 100, that is equal to 'See, the problem is 5 out of 2250. So 5 out of 2250 into 100, that is equal to 0. So 5 1, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, that is equal to 1 by 45 percentage of sulfur in earth. So the option is C. Next problem, in an examination, Sumit scores a total of 626 marks out of 850. What is his approximate percentage in the exam? So 626 out of 850 into 100 equal to 626 into 2 divided by 17 equal to approximately 74. So the answer is 74. See the next problem. The marks obtained by a student are given below. What is his total percentage in all subjects? So the subjects are Maths, Science, Social, English, Hindi. In Maths, for 100, the marks obtained is 100. In Science, the marks obtained is 84. In Social, 67. In English, 25. In Hindi, 24. First, we have to find the total marks. Total marks equal to 100, 200, 300, 400. 400 marks. Marks obtained equal to, so if we add this, we get 300. So the total percentage is 300 divided by 400 into 100 equal to 75%. So the option is C. Thank you.